How? Sleep. How did you sleep? How did you sleep? I slept well. I slept well. How? Steady. How do you steady? How do you steady? I steady hard. I steady hard. What? Eat. What do you eat? I eat red fruits. I eat red fruits. What? Like. What do you like? What do you like? I like music. I like music. Where? Live. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York. I live in New York. Where? Go. Where do you go? I go to the park. I go to the park. Who? Call. Who do you call? Who do you call? I call my friends. I call my friends. How long? How long? Sleep. How long do you sleep? How long do you sleep? I sleep 8 hours. I sleep 8 hours. How? Run. How do you run? I run fast. I run fast. What? Watch. What do you watch? What do you watch? I watch Netflix series. I watch Netflix series. Why? Why do you laugh? Why do you laugh? I laugh when my friend cracks a joke. I laugh when my friend cracks a joke. How often? Clean. How often do you clean? I clean after 2 days. I clean after 2 days. Who? Meet. Who did you meet? I met my English teacher. I met my English teacher. How often? Read. How often do you read? I read every night. I read every night. Where? Steady. Where do you study? I study at home. I study at home. Where? Work. Where do you work? I work in a school. I work in a school. Who do you see? I see my friend. I see my friend. How? Eat. How do you eat? I eat slowly. I eat slowly. Why? Run. Why do you run? I run to stay healthy. I run to stay healthy. How? Drive. How do you drive? How do you drive? I drive carefully. I drive carefully. Which movie? Which movie do you watch? Which movie do you watch? I watch action movies. I watch action movies. How far? Drive. How far do you drive? I drive 20 miles. I drive 20 miles. Who? Help. Who do you help? I help people in needs. I help people in needs. Which? Read. Which book do you read? I read a storybook. I read a storybook. How long? How long? Steady. Steady. How long do you study? How long do you study? I study for 2 hours. I study for 2 hours. How often? How often? Cook. Cook. How often do you cook? How often do you cook? I cook on weekends. I cook on weekends. Where play? Where do you play? I play in the park. I play in the park. How often? Travel. How often do you travel? I travel twice a year. I travel twice a year. How long? Wait. How long do you wait? I wait 10 minutes. I wait 10 minutes. How? Learn. How do you learn English? How do you learn English? I learned by watching videos. I learn by watching videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video you would like to see next.